This is the practice test for algebra. Here we're working on problem number 1, and it states, what is the value of 2xy if x equals 3 and y equals 2? And what we have here is a number next to two letters, and whenever we have a number or letters next to each other like this, it means the multiplication of the numbers and the letters. So this is 2 times x times y, and we're given the value of the x and the y. So the first thing we want to do is substitute the values for x and y into the expression. So we have 2xy, and so we're going to substitute the 3 for the x and the 2 for the y. So it becomes 2 times 3 times 2. And when we multiply these three together, we end up with 12, which is our answer.